Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to the class. I have completed exercise 4.1 in my previous classes. So today I am doing with 4.2. Okay, for class 6 only. Okay, I am continuing class 6 these days. Okay. Now the question is like this: on writing all the factors and pairing up, which among the following has four pairs of factors? Okay, these are the four numbers: 15, 24, 36, and 55. Out of these four numbers, which number has four pair of factors? Now, how to take out the factor? Let me show you. First is 15. So, 15, 3 5 times is 15 and 5 1 times 15. That means factor of 15 are 3 and 5. That means while pairing, we should do like this. 1 into 15 is equals to 15 and 3 into 5 is equals to 15. That means 15 has only two pair of factors. That means 1 into 15 and another is 3 into 5. Okay, only two factors. That means this is not the one which has the four pair of factors. Okay, this is not the one. Now let us try other 24. 24. 2 12 are 24. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are. Okay. Now, while pairing up, what happens? First 2. If you write here 2, then close like this. Hide 2. Then 2 to 4. 4 into 3, 12. That means 2 12 are 24. Similarly, now take 2. 2 and 2. That means 4. 4 into, if you hide 4, then remaining will be 3 to the 6. That means 4 into 6 will be equals to 24. Similarly, now take 3 2's. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 gives you 8. If you hide 8, then remaining will be 3. That means 8 into 3 equals to 24, and at last 1 into 24 equals to 24. Okay, 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Okay, here also 1 is the factor of 15. While pairing of 1, 15 times the 15. Similarly, 1 is the factor of 24. So 1 into 24 equals to 24. Now this 24 has four pair of factors. See here, 2 into 12, 4 into 6, 8 into 3, and 1 into 24. Okay, this 15 has two pair of factors. This 24 has four pair of factors. Okay, we have already found, but let us do it 36 and 55 also. Okay, first of all 2 1s are 2, 18 to 6 are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. Okay, now factor of 36. Okay, first of all 2. If you cover 2, then 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. That means 2 into 18 gives you 36. Similarly, now take 4. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, if you cover 4, then remaining will be 9. That means 4 into 9 gives you 36. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. If you cover 12, then remaining will be 3. That means 12 into 3 equals to 36. Again 3 2s are 6. If you cover 6, then 3 2s are 6. That means 6 into 6. 6 into 6 equals to 36. And at last 1 into 36 will equal to 36. That means this 36 number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of factors, no 4 pairs. Okay, the question asked us is which among the following has 4 pair of factors, 4 pairs of factors. 15 has only 2 pairs. 24 has 4 pairs. We have already got the answer. Okay, 24 has the 4 pairs. 36 has 5 pairs. Now similarly for 55. Let me erase this one. You have already understood the question. So now 55. 5 11 times is 55 and 11 one time is 11. So factor of 55. Okay, 5 into 11 gives you 55 and 1 into 55 gives you 55. That means only 2 pairs. So your question asked was which among the following pairs have which among the following number has 4 pair of factors. So at last you should write out of 4 numbers, out of 4 numbers 24 has 4 pairs of factors. Okay, this will be a statement at last. That means out of those 4 numbers 15, 24, 36 and 55, 24 has 4 pairs of factors. Okay, that will be your answer or the statement at last. Okay, we have number 2 question over here. The number which does not have 2 as one of the factors is, okay, out of these 4 numbers, which number does not have 2 as the factor? Okay, that means which is the number that is not divisible by 2. Okay, we should find that number. Now let us go with 32 first of all. 32 means 2 16 times. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is. That means in 32, okay, 2 is the factor. We can see that clearly. Or we can write factors of 32. What are the factors of 32? First of all, 1 will be the factor obviously. If 2 is the factor, okay, then 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. That means 16 will be also the factor. If 4 is the factor, then 2 to 4 to 8. That means 4 and 8 will be also the factor, and so on. And lastly 32. That means in 32 the factors are 1, 2, 16, 4, 8, 32. Okay, or you can write 1, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You can write this also. That means in this number 2 is there, so this is not the answer. So number B, 45. 45. 2 will not go to 45, directly 3. 3, 15 to 45. 3 5 to 15, 5 1 ja. That means factors of 45. Factors of 45. 1 will be the factor, and 3, 5 and 15. Okay, as well as 9 also. 9 will be also the factor of 45, and at last 45. That means in 45 there is no 2. See here, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. There is no 2. So your answer will be 45 is the number which does not have 2 as one of the factor. Okay, now let us do with 48 also. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 3 1. The factors of 48 are obviously 1 will be the factor, 2, 3 is also the factor, 4, 6 is also the factor, 8 will be also the factor, 24 and so on. Okay, that means in 48 also there is 2, so our answer will be 45. I have already said, I am just doing it. We have done 32. In 32 there is 2. In 45 there is not 2. Okay, in 48 there is 2 as the factor. Now 60. 2 30 is 60. 2 15 is 30. 3 5 is 5 1 is. Factor of 60. Factors of 60. 1 will be the factor, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That means 2 is there also. Okay, now so you have to find all the factors of these 4 numbers. Okay, although you have find answer over here only, but you should do it 48 and 60 also. So After finding all the factors, you should write 45 is the number which does not have 2 as one of the factors. Okay, out of these four numbers 32, 45, 48 and 60, 45 is the number which does not have 2 as one of the factors, because in 32 there is 2, in 45 there is not 2, in 48 and 60 there is 2. So the answer will be only 45. 45 is the number which does not have 2 as one of the factor. Okay, here is number 3 question. Okay, write the factors of the following numbers. Okay, here are 4 numbers. Okay, we should find the factors of the 4 numbers. So number A is 12. So how to take out factor? 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are. So factor of 12. What will be the factor of 12? If you take 2, okay, if you hide 2, then remaining will be 6, like this. If you hide 2 2's, okay, that means 2 2's are 4, then remaining will be 3, that means 4 and 3. And at last 1 is the factor of all the numbers, that means factor of 12 is 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, this will be your answer.
That is turned off, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
Factors of 12. Okay, 1 will goes to 12, 2 will also goes to 12, 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, these are the factors of 12. Now number B is 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are. Okay, that means factors of 20. 1 will be the factor, obviously, and if you hide 2, okay, if you hide 2, then remaining will be 10. If you hide 4, 2 2s are 4, remaining will be 5. Okay, like this. That means factor of 20 are 1 2 4 5 10 and 20 itself, because every number is a factor of itself only. So 12 done, 20 done. Now 36. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. Okay, if you take out 2, then remaining will be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. If you take out 2 2's, that means 4, remaining will be 9. If you take out 6, remaining will be 6 only, so no need to write. Then at last 18 is also done, then 1. That means factor of 36. Okay, factor of 36 is R 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 and 36. Okay, 12 done, 20 done, 36 done. Now 68. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 17s are 34, 71. That means factor of 68. So factor of 68 are 1 2, then 4 17 34 and 68. Okay, that means 1 will also go to 68, 2 will also go to 68, 4 also, 17, 34 and 68 itself. So you should write like this. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And factor of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Okay, you should write like this. So this was the today. Later we will do in another classes. Thank you.